India reported 1.14 lakh new cases and 2,677 deaths in the past 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry. The country has reported the lowest number of daily cases in the last 2 months. The overall caseload stands at 2.88 crore. On the other hand, single-day COVID-19 recoveries continue to outnumber daily new cases for the 24th consecutive day. States like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Odisha and West Bengal continue to witness a higher number of cases in the country. Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal accused the central government of blocking its plans to launch doorstep delivery of ration to the national capital. Addressing the press conference, Aam Aadmi Party Supremo disputed the centre's claim and said that legally they do not need the centre's approval, but they did so out of courtesy. Pro-Khalistani slogans and placards of Jarnail Singh Bhindranwale were spotted at Amritsar's Golden Temple as India marks the 37th anniversary of Operation Blue Star. Pro-Khalistani group Dal Khalsa held a march to the shrine amid tight security at the Akal Takht complex. The protesters demanded to mark June 6 as Khalistani Day. Trinamool Congress Supremo Mamata Banerjee appointed Lok Sabha MP Abhishek Banerjee the party's All India General Secretary. This development comes after West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee convened a meeting with the working committee. The Lok Sabha MP will be replacing Subrata Bakshi as the National General Secretary. BJP leader Suvendu Adhikari and his brother were booked for stealing relief material from the Kanti Municipality office in West Bengal's Purba Medinapur district. The member of Kanti Municipality Administrative Board, Ratnadeep Manna, has registered a complaint at a police station in Kanti. The West Bengal police recovered more than 50 crude bombs from the Hastings Crossing area. The West Bengal police recovered more than 50 crude bombs from the Hastings Crossing area near BJP's office in Kolkata. According to the local police, the bag filled with the bombs was found 20 meters away from the location. The cops are investigating how crude bombs reached the location and whether they had any link with the Assembly elections 2021. Former US President Donald Trump asked America and other nations to demand reparations from China due to the damage caused by COVID-19. Donald Trump also stressed that the United States should immediately initiate steps to impose a 100% tariff on all Chinese products. Veteran actor Dilip Kumar has been admitted to Mumbai's Hinduja Hospital after complaining of breathlessness. Meanwhile, a tweet from the actor's verified handle shared an update on his health and said that Dilip Kumar has been admitted to a non-COVID hospital. The actor is currently under the care of a team of senior doctors and a cardiologist. Legendary sprinter Milkha Singh, who is battling COVID-19 in the ICU of the PGIMER hospital, is considered to be stable. The hospital authorities said that Milkha Singh's condition is better than the previous day. The legendary sprinter's family urged his fans to ignore the rumors circulating on social media over his health condition.